Welcome you all. Today I will show you how you can install any packages in R without internet connection. So for that reason you must have that packages first. You can get it from your friends through email or using pendrive. Here I have a package called mbtnorm. You can see this is a zip file. I'm not opening it. What I have to do that go to R, and after that you have to click on packages, drop down to install packages from local files. Now you have to select the directory where you have kept that file. As I have kept in desktop, so I am selecting desktop and introducing my package, that is mbtnorm, then pressing on to open. It says me that package mbtnorm successfully unpacked and md5 sums checked. Let's check whether it is can be loaded or not. Load packages. Okay, here is my package. So I have successfully installed it. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching the video.